Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm gonna show you my new favorite plugin, and it is mind-blowing. It can turn a song like this into this. It is nuts! Check this out, another example. Into this. What is this? It takes a song and it turns it into some remixed version of it that is completely mind-blowing. It is a great version, like, it's just awesome. It's not some crappy distorted sound, it's actually clean. So in today's video I'm gonna show you the plugin, I'm gonna show you what it does, and I'm gonna show you a couple of different usages of the plugin that I have discovered. It's awesome! I love it. What is this plugin, you may ask? This plugin is Pitch Map. Some of you probably know this plugin, but if you don't, man, this plugin is old. It's 10 years old. Some cats and some dogs don't even live that long. So also, this video is not sponsored, although I wish it was because I love money. So I'm just showing this plugin because I love it. I think the main advantage of this plugin is that it is gonna be great for generating ideas. So what this plugin does, from what I think it does, is it catches the harmonics of the sound and it allows you to repitch them. So basically what a harmonic of the sound is that if you take a look at the EQ, all these little resonances, all these spikes are harmonic, and what this plugin does is I think it catches them. So this is, for example, a C frequency, C note, and you can take the C note from C, you can pitch it to F, G, B, wherever you want, and you can pitch it one octave up, one octave down. You can see these repeating, right? See, this is one of these resonances, and you can pitch it up, down. That's basically it. There's like 5 controls that they control the general feel of it. Like, is it natural? Is it more robotic? Is it more like electronic? You can put it into all different scales. And there's also MIDI map. You can send MIDI input into the plugin. First usage is gonna be using this plugin to flip the songs. So for example, this one, as I showed you, this song. So you can like remix the song basically. Sometimes it works good, sometimes it works bad, and sometimes it doesn't work at all, depending on the track. Like, as you can see, these 2 examples, it works pretty well, but if I pull up, not really, you know? Pretty cool. As you can see, this is gonna be the second way of using this plugin, is for idea generation. So let's say you make a certain sound or a certain section and you put this plugin onto the sound or section and it gives you new ideas basically. So let's say this is the idea that I came up with. Well, I can't come up with anything else. Where am I supposed to get that idea from? This is what I would usually do, and I have not learned anything else to make my mind come up with a different idea. So we need some tools to generate ideas, basically. Put this plugin and change the scale into something different. It will give you a completely new idea. It will like generate a new idea for you that then you can keep developing. This gave you basically a new melody that you then take and then you develop. As you can see, this one is a new melody because it normally sounds like this. Of course, this one is more clean, but it's not about how clean it is, it's about the new idea. So like this part is called like, like could be something like this. So basically what I did here is I had this vocal melody. I put this plugin and it instantly gave me a new idea. So another usage of this plugin is tuning into a certain key. For example, take a melody. You don't even have to worry, like you can put the whole vocal loop. You don't even have to worry about what scale it is in. You just slap it and it's gonna work because it works like an auto-tune. You can just pitch it. not a sound that benefits from tuning. Or something like this. So what it sounds like without the plugin. This especially sounds out of tune. Basically, there's a resonator that plays a chord on this sound. Then we use a pitch map to tune it. This is so cool because you can pitch this. That's what I'm doing here. I'm pitching these, the root node, and it changes, like it repitches the chord, but because there's a pitch map at the end, it tunes the chord. So normally when you pitch the chord up and down, like try to make a chord progression out of the chord, you're gonna get a chord that doesn't fit into the scale. Unless you make jazz. And I'm making a chord progression here. Here. Chord? A flume chord? Okay. That works big time. See, this is out of tune. But it tunes it. Check this one. See, everything is in tune right now. That's sick. Another usage of this plugin is sound design. Check this out. Without pitch map, it sounds like this. And then we have this one. And it turns it into chords. Here, also, this sound. Dark, but well, this one. Another one. And you have pitch map. More sounds actually. Without. Cool. So another sound. Amazing. Growl. Wow. Put pitch map on it, do not crash or I will kill you. Let's go pentatonic minor. I like to put that on these settings because it kind of smooths the sound a little bit. Like this one, for example. So as the last usage of this plugin, I hope I didn't miss anything, it's gonna be vocoding. Vocoding, I don't know if it's vocoding, I don't think it is. I like to use these MIDI templates. It's like synth-like, for example. Basically what you do, you create a new MIDI track and send it into the pitch map. That's it. And basically what you do, you can, well, it's good to have like a serum on it first, right? So you can group the serum, put external instrument and send that external instrument into the pitch map instead. So you actually can hear the chord that you're making. Is it the wrong sound? Well, let's see. It's a bit too much. So you can change scales here still? Oh. Ooh. Cool. Jazzy piano loop. Whoa. Oh, but there's no transients though. There we go. What? You can do this?
You shut the fuck up! You shut the fuck up!
Okay, that's cool.
I am sick, get a whiff, need a Z-pack. Got me dripping like I'm pitching, make them relapse.
Okay.
Got me dripping like I'm pitching, make them I am sick, get a whiff, need a Z. Got me dripping like I'm pitching, make them relapse.
I think that's it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this plugin. Do you have any other plugins like that? Check out oversampled.us for quality sounds. I love money. There's a Valentine's sale going on if you wanna get some sexy deals. And check out plugins.oversampled.us if you're looking for quality plugins. So that's it, I guess. I don't know what else. Have a nice day. See you next one. Bye.